Alright. Sigarilyo pa eh. Saan ba? Wonderful. Magpantalon ka muna ng itim. Na ano yung shoot mo, palitan ka muna saglit. Magbihis ka muna. Number 31. Oy, there's a foul. "34 on red." 34. Dexter. Si Dexter the number 34 sa red. No good. Pasok ang pangalawa. Wala silang team na bibigyan. Ha? Ang sama sa ingani mo? Hello. 1-0. Yung yellow. Yellow. Foul, number 21. 27. 3-0. 3. Okay. The score is 3-0. 27. Foul. 27. Uh-oh. Number 34, 2 points. And the score is 3-2. Mintes. There. Right. Mintes. Rebound. Patrick. Number 5. Oh. Patrick. Hindi counted yung sa. Hindi, two. Tama yan.
No count yung una. No count. Wala Kuya Peter. Hindi, no count.
Number 21, dribble the ball. Pass it to Patrick. Number 5. And 1. Foul. Number 34.
34.
Number 34, 2 personal foul. Bonus shot. Pasok. We score 6-2.
Malakas. 2-on-1. Patrick. Drive. Nice pass.
Malak mga to. Walang mahina, oh. Wala. Oh.
Oh,
South.
oh. Katawan. Magaling pa pumasa. Magaling pa sumot. Kaluwet. 2 points. Number 31.
Pasang ka pa. Tira-tira lang daw yan kay Dennis. Oo.
Oh. Mintes. Rebound. Number 44. Again. Mintes na naman. Patrick. Pass it to number 5. Number 20, 2 points. Walang mintes. Magaling. Yeah. Number 32, pass it to number 27. 27 to make. 2 points, number 27.
Wala. Wala. Pag sa kanila yung bola,
Number 31. Number 5. Mintes. Oh, offensive rebound. Mintes na naman. Offensive rebound na naman. Number 34. Malakas. Rebound. JR. Ayan na po. Maharagada. Number 27. Mintes. Rebound number 44. 2 points. Number 44. Number 31. Whoop. Number 34. Pass it to number 20. Number 20. Timeout! Red team. Oy! Still. Counter, oy! There's a foul. Number 27. Second foul, number 27. Sub. 2 fouls, number 27. Oh, warning for penalty.
Sino ba yung walang uniform? Ba't walang uniform nyo? Kompleto naman yan.
There's a foul. 30. Penalty.
Bigyan mo order kahit minsan. Sigurado order ka, ha?
Mitte. Second shot. Pasok. Peter. Pass it to number 58. 58. Mintes. Rebound. 58. Uy! Galing naman nun. Mintes na naman. Number 5. 2 points.
Magaling sa fast break yun. Makalaro lang ng... Oh!
Number 54. Easy 2 points. Lawrence. Way! Ayang. Red ball. Peter. Pass it to number 54. 54. There's a foul. Number 31. First personal foul. 2 shots. First shot, pasok. Second shot, pasok na naman. Third one, pass it to Patrick. Patrick, pass it to number 20. 20, oy, Tess. Rebound. Peter. Whoop. Start of the second quarter.
Okay.
Okay. Number 55. Malakas, rebound. Number 32. Ken. Malakas. Number 55. Number 640. Mintes. Foul. 97. First personal foul. Oh, there's a foul. Oh, dami. 97. Second personal foul, number 97.
Sandali lang po. Binabago po. Sandali lang po. Sorry po.
Gusto mong masermon, ha? Hoy, intercept, number 31. 2 points, number 37. There's a foul. Number 55. Third team foul. Mainit yung ulo eh. Ken. Pass it to number 25. 25. Short. Last touch. Number 31. Number 16. Pass it to number 20. 20 pass it to... Number 55. Pass it to number 20. Ang ganda naman ng pasahan. Ay, sayang. Number 32. 32. Whoop. Traveling violation. Oh. Number 91. Pass it to number. Ay! Malakas. 2 points. Number, ano yun, 44. 2 points by number 44. Number 31. Pass it to number 55. 55, pass it to number 20. 10-1 for 3. Short. Rebound number 25. Okay, number 4. Pass it number 32. 32. Uy, sayang. Stop, rep. Number 16, short. Rebound, number 54. Ayan na. Number 54. Number 55, pumik! Uy, lumabas pa! Rebound, uy, there is a foul. Nakita referee. 2, 1. Number 21, foul. Sub. Dennis in. Wala, display lang yan. Twenty-one. Gagalit ka pa, ha? Mintes. Oop. There's a foul. Number 31. Second personal foul. 31. Ha? Dalawa na yun. Napaul na kanina dito, first quarter. Time out! Yellow. Okay, back to the ball game. $82, pass it to number 55. 82, pass it to number 18. 16, umikot. Ang ganda naman, ay! 34. Uy, there's a foul. 2, 1, 21. Second personal foul. Ken. Lintes. Sino? Hindi. Second shot, pasok. The score, 20-14 in favor of yellow. Bumamba, 54. Pasok, and 1. Number 34. First personal foul, number 34. Basket. Oh. Score, 20-17. 55, pass it to number... Ang ganda ng ikot, uy! Peter! Ayan na po. Peter! Number 44. Short. Rebound 10. Ang ganda naman. Wala lang. Rebound number 27. Uy! Pasok. Binaril pa. Patrick. Dumrive up. Wala. Ken. Ayan na po si Ken. Ken. Uy! Ang ganda naman nung birthday boy na yan. 21, 2 points. Number 82. Pass it to number 16. 16, tumira. Uy, wala. Pumik. Wala na naman. JR. Niyo naman yan. Hindi na umiscore ang kulay yellow. Number 55. Dribble. Pass it to number 34. 2 points. Number 21. Ayan na naman. Da-drive to. Uy! Binoord naman. Hirap naman nun. Uy! Intercept. 2 points. Number 27. Shot clock. Okay. Number 55. Patrick. Patrick. Number 34. Wala. Uy, last touch. Sub. Timeout! Red.
Third quarter. Red. Okay, number 27.
Pass it to number 58. 58, pass it to 54. JR, 4-3. Malakas, rebound, Ken.
Ang lakas naman no, number 21. 2 points. Number 5. Labas.
JR, 4-2. Malakas. Rebound, number 58. Ken. Oop, there's a foul. 3-1. Sa baba. Third personal foul. Red ball. Number 58, 4-3. Malakas. Uy, ayan na po. Ay! Kinalo eh. Dapat right, bawal yung left. 2 points. Veterans Games. Hindi, baka na ano yan. Napukpok o ano. 54. Number 82. Dribble the ball, 82.
2 points, number 82.
Number 27. Dun right. Intes. Rebound, number 34. Up. And 1. Number 82. Number 82. Ilan na yung number 82? Number 82. Second personal foul. Basket in.
We score 32-26. Number 5. Pass to number 31. Number 81. Lumabas pa!
Nasa loob ni number 54. Uy, rebound, number 58. Whoop! Offensive, number 58. Number 21. Pass it to 54. 54. Uy, there's a foul. Another foul. Number 82. Third personal foul. Sub-rep. Third personal foul. Number 82.
Kalma.
Pasok. Second shot. Pasok. 34-26 the score.
Thirty-one. Pass it to number 5. Number 5. Pasok, 2 points.
Masesermong kayo kay coach. Number 34. Pass it to 58. Uy, sayang. Nabitawan. 58. Pass it to number 54. 54. 21. 51. Pass it to number 34. 34. Lintes. Number 5. Oop, there's a foul. 21. Side ball.
Tatlo na yun.
Number 21, third personal foul. Sub. Malakas, number 24.
Pass it to number 27. Uy, nabitawan. Uy, napasok pa.
2 points, number 27. Number 31. There's a foul. $78. Sub rep. All good. First shot. Pasok. Second shot. Pasok. Score. 36-30. In favor of red. Number 78. Pass it to number 44. 44. Pass it to 58. 58 for 3. Short. Rebound. Number 34. JR. Dumride. Whoop. Traveling violation. Napayungan. Uy, nice save. Number 16.
Uy, shot clock hindi mandan.
Ha?
Ba't pinatay mo? Ito 24.
Whoop.
Huwag mo i-reset. Huwag mo i-reset. 14.
9 seconds violation. Ay, 9 seconds na lang. Rebound, number 34. Last touch. Yellow. Number 44 for 3. 3 points. Number 44. Number 31. Uy, miscommunication. Number 34. Pass it to number 25. 34. Nice shot! Uy, lumabas pa. Rebound, number 34. Uy. There's a foul. Sub 34. Pushing foul. Number 34. Yellow. Sub.
Apat pa lang. Sino? Apat pa lang, apat. Apat pa lang, sir. Apat pa lang. Kalma. Apat lang, sir.
First shot. Pasok.
Di mapakali eh.
Second shot. Pasok. Score 41-30. Number 31. Dribble the ball. 31. Dumride. Vintes. Offensive rebound. Whoop. There's a foul. Number 44. Side throw. Sub rep. Basket. Pasok. 2, 5. Oh, hindi nga mapakali eh. Hindi eh. Hindi umuupo eh. Tingnan mo. Ha? Pumasok na. Pasok. Number 54. Pass it to number 34. 34, 44. Mintes. Rebound, number 31. Ayan na po. Nice shot, number 55. 6 na lang po ang lamang. Number 32. 32. Pass it to number 25. 3 points. Number 25. Number 31. Pass it to 34. 34. Easy 2 points. Evo. Pass it to number 32. 44. Short. Passive rebound. Oop. There is a foul. Number 16. 16. Penalty, ref. Penalty. Time out. Time out ka. Hindi na siya pwede ng time out. Hindi sa akin lang. Ha? Sa. Sa. Huwag ka na. Sobra ka naman. Seconds na lang. Ano? Number 54. Ha? O sige, sige, sir. Pakilagay na lang. Oh. Number 31. Pass it to number 16. Nope. Penalty. Who's foul? 5, 4, 54. 54.
Lima yun eh, pang-lima.
Oh, end of third quarter. Wala na ano. Rebound. 2 shots. First shot. Pasok. Ba't wala sa lineup daw si number 16 natin? Hiniram lang yan? Hiniram lang ba yung jersey? We score 45-38 in favor of Red. Foul. 5-4. Ilan yung 54? Number 54, second, personal foul. Mintes. Uy, nice. Uy, 2 points.
Para yung sa'yo. Ah.
Oh. 27, pass it to number 34. 21. Mintes. Two points, number 5. Tatlo na lang. Three points na lang. Peter, tumira ng 3. Tinapon lang niya! Pumasok! 3 points, number 30. Number 5. Uy, lumabas. Rebound, number 21. Number 21. Whoop, whoop, magalaw ang bola. 21, dumidiskarte. Whoop. Peter. Mintes. Rebound, JR. Whoop, may foul. 1-6. Second personal foul, number 16. First shot. Wala. Second shot. Whoop. One. Isa pa, isa pa. Masyadong maaga. Yellow ball. Last touch. Number 54. Ayan na po. Number 31. Uy, nice pass. Ay, napitawan pa. Rebound. 21. 54. Ayan na po. Ayan na po. Uy, there's a foul. Number 5. 2 shots. First shot, pasok. Second shot. Vintes. Way. Red ball daw. Last touch, number 20. JR. Pass it to number 21. 21, fade away. Vintes, rebound, number 54. Uy, ang lakas naman nun. Matangkad na, magaling pa. Uy, nice pass. Number 20, 2 points. Number 30. Easy lang. Pass it to number 54. 54. Short. Number 8. Oop, there's a foul. Who's foul, rap? Who's foul? 34. 34. Red. Apat na yan, no? Apat na. Ha? Apat na yan. Number 34. Warning na yun, number 34. O, tatlo lang. Tatlo lang. Foul. 34. Number 34. Warning, number 34. Warning. Fourth personal foul. Sub, rep, sub. Sub.
Dexter.
Second shot. Pasok. The score, 51-45. Number 30, pass it to 21. 21. Pass it to number 44. 44. Whoop. Hang on, hang on. Yellow ball. Number 31. Pass it to number 82. 82. There's a foul. Timeout. Timeout. Red. Four shot, Mintes. Second shot, another miss. Uy, offensive rebound, number 5. Uy. Nice pass! Number 78, 2 points. Number 5 for 3. Mintes, rebound. Oh, there's a foul. Number 82. Fourth personal foul, number 82. Number 44. Rebound. Nice! Lumabas pa. Offensive rebound, number 44. 54. 7 seconds. 4. Mintes. Timeout. Red. Walk to the ball game. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Wala, sa kabila yun. 78, 2 points! Anong gusto mo? Sasab ka? Oh, there's a foul. Number 76. 78. 78. Oh, penalty na. 2 shots. Sub, rep, sub. Oh, wala. Walang sub. Walang sub, walang sub. Bawal pa. Sub. Last touch, number 31. Warning. Delay. Number 54. Pass it to number 54. Oh, there's a foul. Number 20. Wala pa. Oh, Side. Apat pa lang. Wala kaming sinabing penalty. Ito yung nagsabi. Side throw. Wala ko sinasabi, penalty, sabi niya kanina. Uy! Ayan na po! 2 points! Okay, score 55-50. 5 na lang po yan. Number 32, turn right. Wala na naman. Number 32. Ay, another steal. Oh, what's the call, ref? Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Technical sa yellow.
Parehong free throw yan.
Vintes. Penalty. 2 shots. The score, 55, 51. Dumrive! Pasok! Kagaling naman nun. Number 5. Tumira ng 3, number 20. Pasok! 3 points! Foul, number 21. Penalty. Number 21. 4th personal foul. First shot. Pasok. Oh. Second shot. Vintes, rebound. Number 21. Hinawakan na lang. Tumira pa! Pumasok pa! Tapusin mo na. Good game! Final score, 62-58. Congratulations, Red Team!